Are you looking for a solution or how to set up a Fabric workspace without using a work or school email? Then this tip is for you. Dear all, welcome to Vijay Tech Talks. Today, we will learn how to set up a Fabric workspace without a work or school email and review the prerequisites. Let's get started. The prerequisites are Azure Portal and app.powerbi.microsoft.com.
Step 1. Log into portal.azure.com. If you do not have an account, sign up for free. Step 2. Search for Entra ID. Click on Users and create a new user. Create a new user with an on Microsoft.com domain. Vijay Tech Talks 25. Display name Vijay. And you can type your password. Review plus create. User successfully created. Step 3. app.fabric.microsoft.com and sign up using the on Microsoft.com email created in the Azure. Follow the prompts to change the password and set up two-factor authentication. We have successfully created a Fabric workspace without a work or school email. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I will answer as soon as possible. I hope this is helpful for you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day ahead and see you again. Bye bye.